There's a special kind of satisfaction that comes from building something with your own two hands, a feeling that is both deeply personal and immensely rewarding. The process of crafting allows you to immerse yourself in the moment, focusing on each detail and step, and ultimately creating something tangible and lasting, especially when it's something you can enjoy for years to come. Imagine the joy of sharing meals, laughter, and stories around a table that you built yourself. It becomes more than just furniture, it becomes a centerpiece of memories and experiences. An outdoor table, crafted with care and attention to detail, can transform your backyard into an inviting space for gatherings and relaxation. The craftsmanship involved in creating such a piece not only enhances its beauty, but also its durability, ensuring it stands the test of time. This essay will guide you through the process of building your own outdoor table using traditional woodworking techniques, from the initial design phase to the final assembly. We'll delve into the nuances of each step, providing tips and insights to help you along the way, emphasizing the importance of quality materials, thoughtful design, and the joy of craftsmanship. Selecting the right wood is crucial, as it affects not only the appearance but also the longevity of your table. We'll explore different types of wood and their characteristics to help you make an informed choice. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this project offers an opportunity to connect with the material, learn new skills, and create a piece of furniture that reflects your personal style. The hands-on experience of woodworking can be both meditative and exhilarating as you see your vision come to life. We'll cover everything from selecting the right wood to the final finishing touches, ensuring that your table not only looks beautiful but also withstands the elements. The finishing process is where your table truly comes to life, as you apply stains, varnishes, or oils to enhance the wood's natural beauty, ensuring you have the knowledge and confidence to tackle this rewarding project. With the right guidance and a bit of patience, you'll find that woodworking is not just a hobby, but a fulfilling journey of creativity and craftsmanship. So, gather your tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on this journey of creating something truly special. Your backyard oasis awaits, complete with a handcrafted table that will be the heart of many future gatherings. Before diving into the sawdust and wood glue, take some time to plan your project carefully. A well-thought-out plan is crucial for a successful woodworking endeavor. Start by considering the size and style of table that best suits your needs in outdoor space. Do you envision a small, intimate table for two or a larger one to accommodate family and friends? Once you have a design in mind, think about the materials you'll use. Opt for durable, weather-resistant wood species like cedar, teak, or redwood. These woods naturally withstand the elements and require minimal maintenance. Consider factors like the table's placement, exposure to sunlight, and potential moisture when making your selection. Remember, this table will brave the elements, so choose wisely. Selecting the right wood for your outdoor table is crucial for both its longevity and aesthetics. The type of wood you choose will not only determine how well your table stands up to the elements, but also how it looks and feels in your outdoor space. As mentioned earlier, cedar, teak, and redwood are excellent choices for outdoor furniture due to their natural resistance to decay, rot, and insect infestation. These woods have been used for centuries in outdoor applications, proving their reliability and durability over time. Cedar, known for its reddish-brown hue and aromatic scent, is a lightweight and stable option. Its natural oils act as preservatives, making it resistant to moisture and insects. This makes cedar a great choice for those who want a beautiful yet low-maintenance table. Teak, with its golden brown color and dense grain, is renowned for its exceptional durability and water resistance. It contains natural oils that repel water and prevent it from warping or cracking, even in harsh weather conditions. This makes teak an ideal choice for outdoor furniture that will last for generations. Redwood, prized for its rich reddish-brown tones and impressive strength-to-weight ratio, offers a beautiful and long-lasting choice. Its natural tannins provide resistance to decay and insects, ensuring that your table remains sturdy and attractive for years to come. When selecting your lumber, inspect each board carefully for knots, cracks, or warping. These imperfections can affect the structural integrity and appearance of your table. Taking the time to choose the best pieces will pay off in the long run. Choose straight, clear pieces for optimal results and a refined final product. Straight boards are easier to work with and will result in a more professional-looking table. Remember, the quality of your materials directly impacts the quality of your finished table. Investing in high-quality wood will ensure that your table not only looks great but also stands the test of time, providing you with a beautiful and functional piece for your outdoor space. Every craftsman knows that having the right tools for the job is essential for achieving professional results. Before you begin building your outdoor table, gather the necessary woodworking tools. A reliable circular saw or table saw is crucial for making straight, accurate cuts. A jigsaw comes in handy for curved cuts or intricate details. You'll also need a power drill for drilling pilot holes and driving screws, as well as a set of clamps to secure your workpieces while assembling. Invest in a quality measuring tape, combination square, and a sharp pencil for precise measurements and markings. Safety should always be a top priority, so wear safety glasses, hearing protection, and a dust mask when operating power tools. Section 5. Measuring and cutting precision is key. With your tools assembled and your workspace prepped, it's time to start bringing your table to life. Begin by carefully measuring and marking your lumber according to your chosen table design. Double-check your measurements to ensure accuracy, as even slight discrepancies can affect the table's structural integrity. Use a straight-edge guide and a sharp pencil to mark your cut lines, ensuring they are crisp and visible. When operating your circular saw or table saw, maintain a steady hand and follow the cut lines precisely. Remember, accurate cutting is crucial for creating tight, seamless joints that will stand the test of time. Section 6. Joining the pieces, creating a solid structure. Once you have all your wood pieces cut to size, it's time to start joining them together to form the table's structure. There are various joinery methods you can employ, each with its own strengths and aesthetic appeal. Traditional woodworking techniques like mortise and tenon joints or dovetail joints offer exceptional strength and durability. These joints interlock the wood pieces, creating a bond that can withstand years of use. If you're looking for a simpler approach, pocket hole joinery provides a fast and effective way to create strong connections. Whichever method you choose, ensure your joints are snug and secure, as they are crucial for the table's stability. Section 7. Sanding and finishing, enhancing beauty and durability. With the table assembled, it's time to turn your attention to sanding and finishing. This crucial step not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your piece, but also significantly contributes to its longevity and durability. Sanding smooths out any rough edges, creating a surface that feels pleasant to the touch and enhances the wood's natural beauty. It's a meticulous process that requires patience and attention to detail. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper, around 80 grit, to remove any imperfections or saw marks. This initial sanding is essential for leveling the surface and preparing it for finer sanding. Gradually move to finer grits like 120 grit and 220 grit for a silky smooth finish. Each pass with a finer grit removes the scratches from the previous grit, resulting in a flawless surface. Once you've achieved a smooth surface, it's time to apply a finish. The finish not only adds a layer of protection but also brings out the rich, natural tones of the wood. A good outdoor finish not only enhances the wood's natural grain, but also provides protection from the elements. This is especially important for outdoor furniture, which is exposed to varying weather conditions. The finish helps in preventing moisture damage, UV fading, and scratches. It acts as a barrier, ensuring that your furniture remains beautiful and functional for years to come. Opt for a high-quality exterior-grade stain, varnish, or oil specifically designed for outdoor furniture. These products are formulated to withstand the rigors of outdoor exposure. Apply the finish evenly, following the manufacturer's instructions for drying times and recoating. Proper application ensures maximum protection and a professional-looking result. Section 8. Adding your personal touch, customization, and details. Now comes the fun part. Adding your personal touch to make the table truly your own. Get creative and experiment with different ways to customize your outdoor table. You can add decorative elements like routed edges, carved patterns, or inlay work to give it a unique flair. Consider adding functional details like an umbrella hole for shade or a built-in ice bucket for keeping drinks cool on hot days. You can also experiment with different staining techniques to achieve a weathered look or a vibrant pop of color. Let your imagination guide you and enjoy the process of transforming your table into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Section 9, Conclusion, the satisfaction of handmade furniture. Congratulations. You've now completed your very own outdoor table using traditional woodworking techniques. Step back and admire your handiwork, appreciating the craftsmanship and dedication that went into its creation. Building something with your own hands brings a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that's hard to replicate. This table represents more than just a piece of furniture. It's a testament to your skills, creativity, and the joy of working with wood. As you gather around this table with family and friends, sharing meals, stories, and laughter, remember the journey of its creation and the lasting memories it will hold.